Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to join the Conversion Boosters beta program. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, too, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you go down to the description section to sign up for your free trial today. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section as well. So make sure you go check those out. So I just want to talk a little bit about the Conversion Boosters app that's going to be coming out. And so it says boost conversions with social proof and urgency. And just down here under the bullet points, it says show recent activity to build trust, create urgency with live visitor counts, design custom conversion cards, and track performance and optimize. So this is going to be a really awesome feature to help boost social proof and urgency on your funnels and your website. And to get to this, right here, what you need to do is you'll need to click on this plus icon to add apps. And then if we scroll down here, we're going to select this Conversion Boosters. And then we click on this button right here, Request Beta Access. And it's going to take us to this page right here, just saying, thank you for your interest in joining the Conversion Boosters beta program with ClickFunnels. Apply now to secure your spot at the front of the line and help us build a better ClickFunnels experience. So you're going to enter your ClickFunnels account email address right here, and then click the button apply for the beta. And then it's going to take us to this page. Congratulations, you're in. We'll be reaching out as the program opens up. In the meantime, log back into your ClickFunnels and continue building your dream. And that's how you join the Conversion Boosters beta program. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or book a call with me, and I'd love to help you out.